For new and budding real estate investors, there are some key steps that need to be investigated prior to jumping into the world of real estate investing. First, educate yourself. Take the time to learn about the basics of real estate investing, including market analysis, property valuation, financing options, and property management. Explore resources such as books, online courses, and mentorship programs to build a solid foundation of knowledge. Next, set clear goals. Define your investment objectives based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time frame. Determine whether you're seeking passive income through rental properties, aiming for short-term profits through house flipping, or focusing on long-term wealth accumulation through property appreciation. Third, start small. Consider beginning your real estate investment journey with modest properties or projects to gain hands-on experience and minimize risk. This could involve investing in a single-family home, duplex, or small multi-family property that aligns with your budget and investment strategy. And very important, research markets. Conduct thorough market research to identify promising investment opportunities. Look for markets with strong fundamentals such as job growth, population growth, affordability, and rental demand. Analyze local market trends, economic indicators, and demographic data to make informed decisions about where to invest. The following provide an overview of the top cities in North America and for budding new investors to look at for growing their career in real estate. 1. Austin, Texas, USA. Austin has emerged as a prime destination for real estate investment due to its robust job market, particularly in the tech sector. With companies like Dell, IBM, and Apple establishing a significant presence, the city attracts a talented workforce, driving demand for both residential and commercial properties. Additionally, Austin's population growth, fueled by domestic migration and international immigration, creates a strong rental market and opportunities for property appreciation. The city's vibrant cultural scene, outdoor amenities, and favorable business climate further contribute to its appeal for real estate investors seeking long-term growth potential. 2. Nashville, Tennessee, USA. Nashville's diverse economy, anchored by sectors such as healthcare, music and entertainment, finance, and technology, offers investors a stable foundation for real estate investment. The city's population growth, driven by both domestic migration and natural increase, has led to increased demand for housing and commercial properties. Nashville's reputation as the music city and its thriving tourism industry also make it an attractive market for vacation rentals and hospitality properties. Additionally, Nashville's pro-business environment and investment in infrastructure contribute to its resilience and potential for continued growth in the real estate market. 3. Denver, Colorado, USA. Denver's strong job market, diverse economy, and high quality of life make it an appealing location for real estate investment. With major industries including aerospace, technology, energy, and healthcare, the city offers stability and long-term growth potential. Denver's population growth, driven by in-migration from across the country, has led to increased demand for housing and commercial properties. The city's outdoor recreational opportunities, cultural attractions, and urban amenities further enhance its attractiveness to residents and investors alike, contributing to steady appreciation in the real estate market. Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Toronto's status as Canada's financial and business centre, coupled with its diverse economy and growing population, makes it a top choice for real estate investment. The city's robust job market, fueled by industries such as finance, technology, healthcare, and manufacturing, creates demand for housing and commercial properties. Toronto's population growth, driven by immigration and urbanization, has led to limited inventory and steady appreciation in property values. Additionally, Toronto's cultural diversity, vibrant arts scene, and quality of life amenities contribute to its appeal as a desirable real estate market for both domestic and international. And Seattle, Washington, USA. Seattle's position as a tech hub and home to major companies like Amazon and Microsoft makes it an attractive market for real estate investment. The city's strong job market and highly educated workforce drive demand for housing and commercial properties. Seattle's natural beauty, outdoor recreational opportunities, and cultural amenities enhance its appeal to residents and contribute to steady population growth. Additionally, Seattle's commitment to sustainability, innovation, and infrastructure development positions it as a city with long-term potential for real estate investors seeking both rental income and property appreciation. Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Atlanta's affordability, economic diversity, and population growth make it a compelling market for real estate investment. With strong sectors in logistics, media, healthcare, and technology, the city offers stability and opportunities for growth. Atlanta's population growth, driven by both domestic migration and international immigration, creates demand for housing and commercial properties. The city's affordability relative to other major U.S. cities, combined with its favorable business environment and investment in infrastructure, position it as a market with potential for both cash flow and long-term appreciation in real estate investments. Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina, USA. Raleigh-Durham's reputation as the Research Triangle, home to tech companies, research institutions, and universities, makes it an attractive market for real estate investment. The region's strong job market and educated workforce drive demand for housing and commercial properties. Raleigh-Durham's population growth, fueled by a migration of young professionals and families, creates opportunities for investors seeking rental income and property appreciation. Additionally, the region's affordability, quality of life amenities, and investment in infrastructure contribute to its appeal as a real estate market with long-term growth. Miami, Florida, USA. Miami's status as an international business hub, combined with its tourism industry and desirable climate, make it a prime location for real estate investment. The city's diverse economy, with sectors such as finance, trade, tourism, and real estate, offers stability and resilience. Miami's population growth, driven by both domestic and international migration, creates demand for luxury residential properties, vacation rentals, and commercial developments. Additionally, Miami's cultural diversity, beachfront lifestyle, and investment in infrastructure contribute to its appeal as a real estate market with opportunities for high returns and long-term growth. Phoenix, Arizona, USA. Phoenix's population growth, diverse economy, and affordability make it an attractive market for real estate investment. With strong sectors in healthcare, technology, aerospace, and manufacturing, the city offers stability and potential for growth. Phoenix's population growth, driven by immigration from across the country, creates demand for housing and commercial properties. The city's affordability relative to other major U.S. cities, combined with its quality of life amenities, outdoor recreational opportunities, and investment in infrastructure, position it as a market with opportunities for both cash flow and property appreciation. Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Vancouver's international appeal, diverse economy, and natural beauty make it a sought-after location for real estate investment. The city's strong ties to Asia, coupled with its sectors such as technology, finance, tourism, and natural resources, offer stability and long-term growth potential. Vancouver's limited inventory, high demand, and strict regulations contribute to steady appreciation in property values. The city's cultural diversity, outdoor recreational opportunities, and quality of life amenities enhance its appeal to residents and investors seeking luxury properties, condominiums, and commercial developments with potential for high returns.